Well, I do miss having my hiking partner on occasion. Getting out here by yourself, chewing nature. You stop. Oh, listen. Doesn't get any better than this. I'm absolutely humbled that I get to come and do this. That I have the time to do this now. That I have partners they're wonderful. Make sure I have what I need, which is nature. Got a fully loaded pack. I did have some money from a silent benefactor that just came out of the wild. I had lost most of my stuff after my OD, and I was able to re-equip myself so I could get back to nature, and also to be able to share it with you. This is, yeah. The void sucks. The void is silent. It's black. This is peace. Tired of touching the void. But it happens. Happened to me a couple times now. But hey, I'm here. I'm doing what I love. I'm back to it. And I'm humbled.